In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if Microsoft Store shows you this message, which is try that again. Something happened on our end, waiting a bit, my help. This message usually pops up for you when you want to reload the Microsoft Store. And then this message pops up, which is try that again. Something happened on our end and waiting a bit might help. Now this process is quick and easy. All you have to do is to follow these steps. After you do that, just go ahead, click on Windows plus R key, and this window will pop up for you. Then just type in %local app data and % again. And then just go ahead, click on OK, and this window will pop up for you. Now just go ahead, look for the packages folder, just scroll down, then click on it. As you can see, just go ahead and click on it, and after that just make sure to look for the Windows Store folder. Just scroll down until you find it. This is it, the Windows Store folder. Just go ahead and click on it. Double click, and after that click on the local cache folder and then select all these files right here. Delete them as you can see on this icon, or right click and then click on delete. So after you do that, just close out of this window and just go ahead, search for settings in the search menu. Now the best results, go ahead, open that up. On the left side, go ahead, click on Apps, and after that, click on Installed Apps. And type in Store again, go ahead, click on 3 points, Advanced Options, and then just scroll down to repair the app, or you can reset it as well. Just go ahead, click on the reset button, and then click on reset again. And after that, just make sure to restart your computer for changes to take place. As always, thank you for watching.